In this video, I will show you how to add or edit free headers and footer scripts to your WordPress website. First, open your preferred browser by left-clicking the browser icon. Then, in the search bar, enter your WordPress website credentials and log into your website. After logging in, you will be on the WordPress website homepage. In the left navigation bar, look for the option labeled Plugins. Hover over the option until you see more options pop up, then click the Add New Plugin option. This will take you to the Add Plugins page. Here, on the right side, left-click the search bar. Type WP code, then hit Enter. Click Install on the matching search result. Wait a few seconds and then left-click the Activate option. Now in your left navigation bar, you will see a new option labeled Code Snippets. Hover over the new option with your mouse until you see more options pop up. Then left-click the Headers and Footer option. This will take you to a new page labeled Header and Footer. Here, you have a dedicated box for headers and footers. Now to add custom headers or footers, simply paste the code in the respective dialog box, and to apply the changes, click the Save Changes button in the top right corner. If you want to edit the code, simply make the changes in the header or footer dialog box, and again, save the changes by left-clicking the Save Changes button in the top right corner.